Okay, cleaning is almost completed. The only thing left is to clean the stove. From the ceiling all the way down to the floor. Behind the stove, behind the refrigerator, all the things have been cleaned. Top of the refrigerator, all the cubby holes, all the lights. Again, all the light bulbs have been replaced. Window shade replaced. Windows cleaned. All the windows cleaned. Smoke, residue of smoke that was seen on here into the other bedroom. We patched the walls, removed the black marks on the walls, put the insulation back inside here. Cleaned all the blinds. All the mini blinds needed to be washed. I know that they did that. Repaired and fixed the bubbling up paint that was evident probably from nail polish that was set down on the windowsill. That was fixed. Again, all the blinds are cleaned, light bulbs cleaned, everything's been cleaned. Cleaning crew came in. Cobwebs are all gone. Toilets re-cleaned. Bathroom and bathtub cleaned. The only sign of some evidence is a show of some kind of stain. The cleaning people said that that stain is probably from hair color treatment. We removed everything that was under the sink, and that brings everything up to date.